welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kay's Kitchen. This is
Samara.
And I am Khadija. And here I try to show you quick and easy recipes for your family and friends. Actually, I wanted to tell you guys a quick story.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to take over today on the camera.
Why not?
So, there's a moral behind the story. But anyway, so I went shopping not so long ago, and I went alone. And when I go alone, what ends up happening is it gets really hard for me to make a decision now. I used to be a quick decision maker. What I like, grab it and go. I don't know what's happened as I've gotten older. So anyway, I was there in an Asian store. I was only looking at a handy, by the way. It wasn't anything like, extravagant. And I was just sitting there and I was thinking, which one? This one or this one? Okay, this one because it's bigger and this one's going to last longer. And I was doing all this for ages. I was literally on my knees now. I couldn't stand anymore. I was talking to myself and I was like, oh, which one? Anyway, I sat there and I was like, oh God, I actually said this. I was like, oh Lord, could we do with some help, I want to know which one to take. I just want to take one and go. And all I heard out of nowhere, a voice. Sorry guys. So I look up because I'm on my knees now.
Yeah. And
there's this really cute elderly woman standing there with a sari on. She was so cute, one of those you want to put in your bag. And she's looking at me, she's like, she said in Urdu, she's like, Beta, are you looking at these handis? Okay, Beta, let me tell you, and because they're old school and they know this stuff, don't they? She's like, okay, this one is like this quality, it's not great. This one is good quality, I've got these. Use it like this, it's good for this, it's good for that. And I was just standing there, and all in my head I was thinking, I actually got listened out to. I know it's just a handy. I only asked for help for a handy.
But you asked and help came. That's amazing.
Came, and I was just like, and I just looked at her. I was really smiling. She was so cute, and she was smiling back. And I said, Auntie, you know what? You've helped me so much. You don't understand. I've been here for 45 minutes. I was thinking in my head, and I was like, thank you so much for helping me, and I will take that one, the one that you've picked. And she's like, oh, okay, Beta.
That's cute. Okay.
And off she went with her walking stick and a sari on. And I was just like, wow,
aww.
Isn't that amazing?
That is cute. You asked for help, and God listened, and He just sent someone to you that you wouldn't have expected anyway.
Yeah,
something
and she
so
just
small.
knew what I was doing. She's like, Beta, you're looking at these too? And I was like, yeah. And she just told me straight away the description.
That's cute.
So I just wanted to share that with you guys. That moral of the story is, don't ever lose faith. Always have faith. And even if you think that
I was going to George Michael family then.
Oh yeah. Even if you don't think you need to ask help for the slightest little thing, actually you can. So, guys, rosé are coming up soon, and when rosé come up, our taste buds just become extraordinary to everything.
You want everything and anything, everything new.
But I know you want something filling. So
that's what the samosa are for.
No. Mango lassi. That's what mango lassi is for.
Mango lassi is great, especially if it's hot. And the last maybe 3 Ramadans have been hot. And you want something nice and cold.
Yes. So I decided that for the idea of Ramadan, and obviously generally because summer, hopefully inshallah, will be coming in the UK, you can make mango lassi. So I have made mango lassi once. With fresh mangoes, and you know what? It actually, I think, because of the acids in the actual mango, it's not the same.
Okay.
So I've actually made this with the pulp. It's a quick and easy recipe. Anyone can make this, and everyone can make this, but it's tasty. So all the quantities obviously have to be right, so that it's not too sickly.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go off to the kitchen as it's super quick. You'll see me back in a flash with some mango lassi.
And I love mango lassi, so I am excited to taste it.
Yes.
Can't
see
wait.
you guys soon.
Here is everything that we need. So we've got the blender, and we are going to start off with the mango pulp. 700 grams of that we will need, and 150 grams of plain yogurt, 150 milliliters of milk, and some pistachios here, just chopped up. You can use for garnishing if you wish. I'm going to put everything in here now, guys. If you don't want to use water, you can use ice cube, 2 full scoops of ice cube to mix in. I'm going to use water. I'm going to use half a cup of water. But if you guys feel like you want to make it thinner and not thicker, not a thick mango lassi, then obviously add a full cup of water instead of half. Now I'm just going to pour the mango pulp in. I know how much to use from the can, but you guys can use a measuring jug first to measure it out and then pour it into your blender. Now remember guys, mango lassi is to your own taste. You might want it thicker, a lot more sweeter, or you might want it thinner, not so sweet. So after you've added these ingredients that I've shown you, before adding the ice cube or water, definitely get a taste, see what you think, how you feel about it, and then you can go ahead and start adding, more water or more ice cube to it. So I've added this. We're going to mix it for just 2 minutes, nothing more than that. Mix, and it's done. One of the quickest recipes I've ever done on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to pour that into a cup. I will garnish it with pistachio. I know Samira will moan about it, but it's all good because she loves me. So pour that in and take it in and see what she thinks.
Here you are then, guys. I'll show you guys.
So the mango lassi itself is absolutely delicious. Like, not lying. Lassi is really nice. And nice and sweet, but not like sickly.
Yeah.
And it's nice and cold.
Yeah. It's definitely follow obviously all the ratio of what I put down. So
why do you need bits in it?
I didn't have any ice cubes, so I used obviously a bit of water instead. But obviously if you have ice cubes, it will obviously melt and it will water it down. You can do that, but I do recommend that you do use a bit of water in there. Otherwise, yes, it will be too thick. And it's just not gonna taste right texture wise. So I love it. We've all tried it. My kids like it and they are really fussy, so they actually hope you guys have all enjoyed this, and if you have, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's also a bell button there. Don't forget to click that because that will always give you a notification of when I upload any new videos. Watch out for our vlogs and of course our new recipes. I hope you all enjoyed yourself. Take care and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.